Welcome back, guys, and I got my package. I've had this box for over a week and a half now, and you know I have to open it with you guys because you guys already know this is my favorite. It is my favorite box. Haven't opened it, so let's dive right in. Oh, first let's do a thumbnail. What is that? What is that? Why do we take pictures like that? I'm too old for that. No. Okay. I'll do the thumbnail later. Okay, so you want to see what's in this box? Keep watching. Okay, if I didn't mention, this is their Fab Fit Fun. This is the Fab Fit Fun. Try saying that fast 3 times. Spring box. Of course, they have their stickers. If you can see, cute little spring stickers there. The lighting is really bright. Hold up. Oh my goodness, it's giving me a headache. Let's see if we can do something. Let's dim this a little, cause oh, okay, much better. All right. Woo! Just came home from work and I'm tired, and that light was blinding the heck out of me. Okay, so this is a $15 off on your first box. I always have a code linked below. You guys can see it. There's always one link down below for your first box. You get to save money on your first box. And listen, you can order this or order a box. And if you go on their website, you can actually add whatever you want that they have available, whatever you want in your box, and then you can cancel it. Just saying. You know, you don't have to keep purchasing these quarterly because they come every season. This is their magazine. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, weekend getaway. I'm all about that life. All about it. Okay. Let's dive right in. So I'm looking at this box right now, right? And the box is really big. 1, 2, 3. They have like 7 items. I'm thinking it's something, and we're not even going to. I'm not going to touch that. Okay. So this is what? A shadow stick with a sharpener. Okay. This is from, I have no idea how to pronounce this, Ico. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ico. Well, the colors, they're my kind of colors because I can see through the package that I can't even open the package, but I can see that they are. I don't have time to be wasting. Oh, this is nice. I will probably most definitely be using these. They're neutral. I love neutral colors. You can see that. I don't know if you can see. I do like this. Oh, this is nice. Look. It's like a pencil. Pencil. Very nice. Yeah, I will definitely. And this is the other side. It's two-sided. Very pretty. I do like this. It has some shimmer. And then the best part, it came with its own sharpener, which is pretty cool. Really nice. I like that. Like that already. Okay. What is this? This is a fluid Okay. Fluid matte hydrant. I am assuming that this is for your face. It's not in English here on top, but, and I'm not even going to try to look for it in that magazine because sometimes that just doesn't work. And it's from Caudalie. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know. If you've received your box and you know what this is, please let me know in the comments below. Please. And it's sealed, of course. I have no idea. It doesn't smell like anything, but again, it's sealed. It's probably some kind of hydrating serum or something. I'm not quite sure. It's not in English. Hate that. But okay. This is a really nice size. What is this? Kristoff mask. This is a regenerating mask. Wow, look at the size of this tub. It's huge. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's not even, smells really nice. Doesn't have a seal or anything. Let me just try to put some on my palm and see. Oh, this is like a, it's like a lotion. It smells so good. It really does. So I guess you put this on and you wipe this off. I'm not sure. But I will probably be linking the price, the name and the prices of these things up above. So that you can get kind of an idea. Really nice size. I like that. I really like that. Yeah, it's really, really soft. I'm sure you wipe it off because it's not, it like sits on top. It smells really good. It smells like almond oil mixed with something else. I don't know. It smells really good. Okay. Oh. Well, what do you know? This is about the third one that I've received from them. And it's a daily facial brush. This is for dry brushing. I have a video on that. If I find it, I will link that up above in an iCard. But yeah, dry brushing is really good. I don't need that, so maybe I will give it to someone else. Or I can use this for my edges. I'm just saying. For those of you that know about it. Edging. Hey. Okay. Eye serum. Hypernova Eye Serum. That's nice. Okay, let's see what this looks like. And it came opened. Well, the box is open at least. So this is an eye serum. That's nice. I can probably give that a try. What is this? Like a wand? Oh. Okay. You know that I have to smell everything. I'm sorry. Not sorry, but it's what I do. Look at that. Let me put this down. Look at that. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I will definitely try that. I mean, I don't have a lot of I don't have lines. Thank God. Not yet. Because I moisturize. That's the key, people. Moisturize. Even if you have oily, prone skin, even if you have acne, it doesn't matter. You have to moisturize, especially around here, because this skin is so thin. That's why people tend to wrinkle here quicker than any other part of the face because they're not moisturizing. All right. Or wearing sunscreen, which doesn't matter if you have oily, greasy skin. It doesn't matter how oily your skin is. You have to wear it. You should really wear it. Okay. Moving on to the next. Oh, what is this? Renewing body cleanser. This looks spa-like. Look at this. Look at this packaging. Oh, excuse me. And who is this by? Korres. I don't think I've ever, this bottle probably costs like 15. I'm not even lying. It's probably a lot of money. Let me see if I can open this up. Body. Oh, I'm all for it. You guys, one day I'm gonna try, and especially now for the winter time, I'm gonna share my body routine. No, maybe a little bit too much for you, but it's sick. I am just so okay. The smell is not that appealing. It smells a little medicinal. Maybe eucalyptus. I don't know. It's a little spa-like. But there's something in here that it's probably like eucalyptus or something like that. But you know that your girl will definitely be using this. Anything for the body, body washes, moisturizers, anything like that. I am all in. All in. Okay, Kate Somerville, all skin type. What is this? What is this? Skin health. No idea. Intense. God. Of course, I don't have my glasses. Exfoliating. Oh, is this with two? No. Okay, this is an exfoliating treatment. That's funny because I want to share with you guys the line that I am, I think I shared the line that I was using last time in one of my videos. I think it was a morning routine, or was it a night routine? I think it was a night routine. I'm using some products from that line still, which is Good Molecules. I'm using like a couple of their products. And I incorporate that in my skin routine every day, like maybe 2 of their, items. But there's a new line that I am absolutely loving, and I discovered it at a visit to a skin doctor. And let me tell you something. Yeah, it's high end, of course. So it's not for everyone, but I'll share it with you guys. Okay, so this is what that looks like. Oh, and I just purchased one of their exfoliating. It's like an exfoliator, a cream or something like that. Everything. It is. Everything. I may try this. I'm not quite sure. Or I may just, I can't even smell it because it's sealed. Maybe I'll give this to someone. But yeah, I'm going to definitely share that line with you guys. And I still have to do a morning routine, which is a little different than a night. Maybe I'll just do both because it's a little different now. So that's it. Could you believe? Oh, another coupon for wine. We're always for that. And another coupon for HelloFresh meals. I know a lot of you guys love these HelloFresh meals. I have yet to try it, but this is the coupon code. If you're interested, you can. Let me see. Can you see that? Focus. This camera is really not focusing today. I don't know, but that's the coupon code. If you're interested in HelloFresh, I have yet to try that. But yeah, that's it. That's it for the box. I'm, not really impressed this time. I don't think I have really been impressed with their boxes since I can't even remember when. The winter box was, I can't remember. But you can see them all down at my videos. The summer box, I think, last summer was horrible, and it was like this size. I digress. I have hopes. I love this box. The items are not bad. The sizes are great for some of the items. Maybe I need to go into their website and start picking things out for myself. I'll probably, most likely wind up doing that. But they're not bad. Okay, so with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. And I keep saying this, I know, but life has gotten, not that I need to explain myself, but life is busy. Life has been busy. I'm busy with, work and school and personal life, and we've been doing a lot. and home. So, but I will see you guys in the next one. I still have empties that I have to share with you. And there's so much that I'm going to have to make 2 videos. I'm just going to have to cut them in half because it's too much. I have a lot of things waiting to share with you. And they just keep piling up. So stay tuned for that video. But I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, as a matter of fact, I have a playlist for all Fab Fit Fun. So you can look for my playlist. And if you want to see any of the other ones, help yourself. All right? I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.